Hi, how are you? So today we're going to be bleach dyeing a bunch of clothes. By a bunch, I mean 4. We're bleach dyeing 4 items of clothing. So these are the clothes we're going to be bleach dyeing today. So this first one. These are pants. I tried them on and they fit pretty okay. Not as long as I would like them to be, but long enough. And basically what I'm trying to do is make a pair of matching pants for this jacket. So we'll see about that. Next, another pair of pants. Except this time they're black. So these pants are the ones that I'm working with. But they're not as baggy in the legs as I would like them to be. So I'm going to combine them with these black pants. The reason why we never throw away denim. I'll show you how I'll combine them later. And then I want to paint in checkerboard pattern. I want to paint in a checkerboard pattern onto the pants using bleach. So that should be fun. Next we have this shirt. It is inside out. Just give me a second. So it is this Las Vegas, Nevada shirt, and we're gonna bleach it. That's pretty much it. I have enough plain black t-shirts in all sizes and fits, so I only need this one to remain plain black. So we're gonna bleach her. Next we have this shirt. We have this red t-shirt. We're gonna dye this. Either this or something completely different, but that logo will be covered. So those are all 4 items of clothing. I am going to change into something that I don't mind getting bleach on accidentally, and we're gonna get started. We will be using rubber bands, masking tape, a spray bottle, scissors, gloves, and cardboard. I also ended up using acrylic paint, and of course you need bleach. Missing someone. breath.
Gang.
Não, e tu? Também não. Jeito de rica, né não? Por quê? Ah, sei lá, pelo cabelo. Se for, qual o problema?
For the checkerboard jeans, the first thing I made sure to do was to insert some cardboard to stop the bleach from soaking through to the other side, so I could easily flip it over into the other side and it wouldn't be stained. Despite my valiant efforts, some bleach still managed to soak through to the other side. It was at this point that I decided to paint the rest of the checkerboard pattern because that would be less messy and less time consuming. So that's what I did. So currently working on the red tie-dye shirt. So originally we're going to take the front of that other red shirt and sew it onto this one, but we're not doing that anymore. I found this old drawing when I was cleaning out my room. There it is. Some good old affirmation there. I don't know when I drew this, like there's no date on it or anything. It's probably around year 6. But the thing is, I don't know if this is an original idea or not. So I don't know if this is an original idea. I don't know if this is a reworked idea. And I don't know if this is copied. So if you see something similar to this somewhere, please do let me know that my childhood stuff was a copycat. I'm going to paint this on that.
If I could take you up in boom 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 boom, tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Life could be a dream. And I ding dong, plans would come true. And I ding dong, my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again, shaboom, and hoping we meet again. Oh, life. And I ding dong, a lang, a lang, a lang. Boom, ba-do, ba-do, ba-do. And I ding dong, a lang, a lang, a lang. If I could take you up in boom 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 boom, tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again, shaboom, and hoping we'll meet again. Oh, life could be a dream, shaboom, and I ding dong, plans would come true. And I ding dong, my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Now every time I look at you, something is on my mind. If you do what I want you to, baby, we'd be so fine. Oh, life in a ding dong. If I could take you up in boom 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 boom, tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Life could be a dream. In a ding dong, plans would come true. In a ding dong, my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again, shaboom, and hoping we'll meet again. Oh, life could be a dream. In a ding dong, plans would come true. In a ding dong, my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart.
If you watched the video until the end, thank you. Also, if you watch the video to the end, you should probably subscribe, because why else would you watch it till the end if you didn't like it and you didn't want to continue to see content from me? Also, don't forget to like, comment, turn on the notification bell, check out my other social media platforms, and until next time.